We all know WhatsApp, to keep its users engaged to the app, keeps on working on regular updates and comes out with new features. Now also recently WhatsApp has reportedly rolled out a new update for Android beta testers. According to the screenshots shared by WhatsApp Beta Info, the messaging app will now inform users if they miss a call when their Do Not Disturb mode is enabled. The app will also let you know the time of the call itself. It is unclear when this feature will be made available to all the users via the stable update. Those who are using WhatsApp's Android 2.2, 2.24.17 version will be able to check out this feature. The cited source also reported that the update will be pushed to several beta users in the coming days. For those who are unaware, every smartphone comes with a DND mode that silences all the notifications, alerts, as well as calls on the phone. WhatsApp is also reportedly working on a new feature called the Companion mode. The same source which spotted the feature in the beta version revealed that this feature will let people access the existing WhatsApp account on a secondary mobile also. Currently, the app lets you link your account to up to 4 different devices such as laptop and tablet, but you can't access it on another smartphone. This may change very soon. It is unknown when this feature will be made available for everyone. WhatsApp will display a small box in the chat saying that you missed a voice call at 9:38 while on Do Not Disturb mode was on. This is a minor update but is equally important because there are people who use DND mode in meetings or in other situations and don't get to know whether they get a call on the messaging app. Of course, if users check the call section in the app just after disabling the DND mode, then they will be able to know about the missed call. Well, this feature and update's gonna be coming up soon. That's all in this video. Thanks for watching.